In Massachusetts, the burden of proof for obtaining a restraining order falls on the person requesting it, also known as the plaintiff. Now, the plaintiff must show that they have been the victim of abuse. Abuse in this context includes physical harm, causing fear of imminent serious physical harm, or being forced into sexual relations involuntarily by coercion, threat, or duress. To get that restraining order, the plaintiff has to demonstrate by a preponderance of the evidence that the abuse has occurred. That's just a fancy way of saying that the plaintiff needs to show that it's more likely than not that the abuse happened. It's not about proving things beyond a reasonable doubt like at a criminal trial. It's a lower threshold, meaning the evidence needs to tip the scales even slightly in favor of the plaintiff's claim. The court considers various forms of evidence. This can include testimony, medical records, police reports, photographs of injuries, and any other relevant documents or witness statements that support the plaintiff's account of abuse. The goal is to paint a clear picture that shows the likelihood of abuse. Additionally, if the restraining order is to be extended beyond the initial temporary order, the plaintiff needs to continue demonstrating that the ongoing need for protection is there. This involves showing that the threat of abuse remains. So, to sum it up, the burden of proof in Massachusetts for a restraining order requires the plaintiff to prove by a preponderance of the evidence that the abuse has occurred. It's about showing that it's more probable than not that the abuse took place.